Hey everybody, what's up? Marc Supsic here on behalf of Wine Still Sold Out. If you just mention the word wine, one of the very first things that comes to mind is the country of Italy, and there's a good reason for that. Italy has over 350 different kinds of grapes and hundreds of different styles of wine. And with 1.7 million acres of vines, they're the largest producer in the world. There are so many different wonderful grapes and wines being made in Italy, it's really hard to keep up. And what makes it additionally difficult is that they label their wines based on the region where it's produced, so it's hard to know what's in the bottle. For this weekly tasting, we're going to expand our Italian wine knowledge by at least one more grape and two more wines. We're going to discuss the Nebbiolo grape and two very famous regions, Barolo and Gattinara. This weekly tasting comes with two delicious wines from the Piedmont region of northern Italy, both made with the Nebbiolo grape. There's a beautiful Barolo here from 2015, 5 years old, and a 2011, 9-year-old Gattinara. As with all weekly tastings, you're going to get those two delicious wines, you're going to get my personal tasting notes, some food pairing suggestions, some recipes, and a comprehensive tasting video along with me. I hope you get a chance to join me for this latest weekly tasting based on Nebbiolo. I've been having a lot of fun putting these packs together, and so far the response has been overwhelming, so thank you very much. I'll see you there at the next one. Cheers.